Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and in the best of health. In today's video, we'll be talking about MemeFi coins, specifically how to confirm your wallet connection, how to qualify for the airdrop, and when and how to request your withdrawals. So if you're looking for clarity on these topics, stay tuned because everything you need to know is coming right up. Before anything, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and check out our Telegram channel in the video description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So make sure to join. Let's begin with the basics. It's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is head over to your wallet, specifically the one where your MemeFi coins are. Here's the address you should be looking for. You'll find this exact address in your airdrop section, just like this. Pay attention to this address right here. Now, once you have this address, go to OKX and check that this address matches. Here's how you do it. Let's switch over to the OKX wallet, and we'll go through it step by step. Once you're in your OKX wallet, you need to choose the SUI network. So head over to the Receive section, and then search for SUI coin. It'll look something like this. And when you open it, you'll see the same address that you saw earlier in MemeFi. If the last 4 digits match, for example, 7E33, you've got the correct address. But what if you can't find the coin in the search bar? No worries, you can simply add it manually. Just click on the section to add a new token, search for the coin, and add it. Easy as that. The key takeaway here is that MemeFi is going to launch on the SUI network, so make sure you're ready for that. Now the big question, how do you request your coins? Well, your coins will be requested through the OKX wallet. I'm sure you already know that OKX has an app and they even have a Telegram bot. You've probably already linked your wallet, but if you haven't, you need to do that ASAP. Linking your wallet is mandatory. Once that's done, here's how to check your eligibility for the airdrop. Go to the Check Your MemeFi Airdrop Eligibility section. You'll see that the airdrop will end in 7 days, so make sure you complete the process before that. You can find the claim section here. This is where you will request your coins. Remember, you'll be sending your coins directly from your OKX wallet to other platforms. So make sure you've completed the linking process before the deadline. This will ensure your eligibility is clear, and you'll know exactly how many coins you'll be able to claim. By day 15, which is just 7 days from now, the mining will come to an end. That's when they'll take a snapshot of your account and finalize your rewards. By day 16, you'll have a clear balance in your wallet, showing exactly how many coins you've earned. From there, you can transfer your coins to exchanges like Mexc, Bybit, Gate.io, or anywhere that lists MemeFi. You'll be able to trade your coins just like any other cryptocurrency. And that's it for today's update on MemeFi. We just wanted to make sure you're fully prepared, especially when it comes to linking your wallet. That's the most important part right now. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped clear up any confusion. Until we meet again,